For you to import or add your JMPT token to Trust Wallet, you have to download your Trust Wallet extension on the Explorer you are using. And to do that, you browse to search for Trust Wallet extension. Don't forget, this is the link. It is very important so that you not lose your asset. So as soon as you download your Trust Wallet extension, you are going to get something like this. The objective of you importing or adding JMPT token to Trust Wallet is to make JMPT token visible on Trust Wallet so that you'll be able to transfer your earnings from JumpTask to Trust Wallet. The next thing you need to know is to have access to JMPT token contract address. For you to have access to any contract address of any token, CoinMarketCap website can help you to achieve that. All you need to do is to browse to this platform, search for JMPT token. Like this is the JMPT token now. If you scroll down, this is the contract address. It is the contract address that will help you retrieve the token in your Trust Wallet. Look at this. This blue symbol is Trust Wallet symbol. For us to retrieve BNB Chain contract address for Trust Wallet, we copy this and come back to Trust Wallet. So the next thing you need to do is to come to this place. This is where you select the network on Trust Wallet. You tap here, you can see these are all the network. You scroll down, we are looking for BNB Smart Chain. Don't mistake BNB Beacon Chain to BNB Smart Chain. So you select BNB Smart Chain. The next thing to do is to look for Manage Crypto. That is want to import and make JMPT token visible on your Trust Wallet. So you tap Manage Crypto. Since we've selected BNB Smart Chain, you can see there's no JMPT token here. Look at it, token name or contract address. So the first thing you can do is to type JMPT token. Look at it, it came out. Or you paste the contract address of JMPT token on BNB Smart Chain network. You will get the same thing. So you just enable this. Look at this tiny button here. That yellowish color is telling us that you are importing JMPT token on Binance Smart Chain network. So immediately you enable this button, you come back to this place and you are going to see that JMPT token is now available on BNB Smart Chain network. You can see it physically now. If you want to import and add JMPT token on CELO Network, you come to this place, you search for CELO, you select CELO. We've selected CELO Network now. You can see the token is not available. You manage crypto, you tap Manage Crypto. You can see it came out automatically, but JMPT token itself is not here. So you can search JMPT. You can see you can either search with the name of the crypto or the contract address. We've searched with the name JMPT token. JMPT token is not coming out. So we go back to CoinMarketCap website. Here under JMPT token, we come to, you can see contract address. This contract address is Ethereum. We look for CELO Network. Look at it. This is CELO Network. We copy this contract address. It's copied. Look at it, copied. We go back to Trust Wallet. Inside here now, we paste the contract address. You can see JMPT token came out under CELO Network. So you enable this button and you go back. You can see JMPT token is now made visible under CELO Network. So this is how to import and add your JMPT token in Trust Wallet for both CELO and Binance Smart Chain network using your PC.